Yo,
Trip lang, trip,
pakinggan nyo to.
trip, bakit? Trip,
Trip lang.
trip lang.
Or basta alis sa'yo, delikado, baka may madulas. Di ba, okay lang yan. Boss size again.
Damage na pala ang court floor sa university. Hello, maintenance. This is Samir, the property manager. May receive kaming complaints concerning uneven flooring sa basketball court kaya nadulas ang player. Delikado ito kasi pwedeng may madulas habang naglalaro. Yeah. Can you get this fixed by next week if possible? Okay, thank you for now. Maglalagay muna kami ng warning signs at barriers para may iwasan mag-accident din.
Ayos par, buti naman ayos ng PM ng party. Nga pre, uli, makakalaro tayo nung hindi tayo nadidisyan.